Hello mga ka-tubers and friends of amateurs. I'm now gonna teach you how to take the LRT here in Metro Manila. So we're now here inside the Gateway Mall, and the boarding platforms can be accessed through the third floor of this mall. So you can catch the sale here at Gateway. So if you want to go to EDSA, you go left, and you go right if you want to reach the Coliseum. Stampede. There are several shops here. So let's take another floor up and take this escalator. There's Citironics, website, complex. The MRT is going right and the LRT to the right. Actually here in Cubao is like an interchange because there's an MRT station and an LRT station here. That's the Euro Tower. And Gateway Commercial. Wow. Of course, this is the very famous Araneta Museum where you see the most famous concerts here in Manila. We're now entering Gateway. And there's Pizza Hut here. Donuts. There's a vending machine here if you want some drinks. Gateway will be at Cinema 5. Now open. Here. You can find a directory here of Gateway Mall. All the shops and stores here. And there's a Pizza Hut right across this directory sign. And we need to move up for the LRT. First stands here at Gateway. We have Arrow. Near Hush Puppies you can see signage here. So just go straight for the LRT station. Here in Cubao. Fully booked. You can see several brands here. Siargao, St. Paul's, Tayo, Shoe Salon, Restaurant, Columbia, the Optical Shop, Watson's, H&M. We also have Uniqlo here just beside Watson's and KFC on top, and Food Express. So from Uniqlo we just have to go straight. Across Jericho you'll find the Gateway ATM Center, so we have a lot of ATMs here, Bank of Commerce, Metrobank, RCBC, China Bank, BPI, PNB, and BDO. And this is now the LRT station here in Cubao. So it goes through Recto, so you got to have the X-ray scan. So if you're hungry, especially if it's hot, you can or drink something. There's Pizza Hut, Yahoo egg, and rice in a box here at the station. And also ATM machines and the ticket machines. And these are the counters already if you want to proceed to the boarding platform. But now let's first have our ticket here. There's also a passenger information guide here, and of course the locality map and Light Rail Transit Authority. So we're now here in Cubao, Araneta Center, Cubao Station. So to the left goes to Aurora Boulevard to San Juan, and up north is going to EDSA or Monumento, and going to the right is will reach Marikina through Aurora Boulevard. And going down south goes to Pasay via EDSA or Epifanio de los Santos Avenue. So this is the Cubao station of the MRT. So basically in Cubao there's an interchange. It's one of the few interchange areas here in Metro Manila. So the interchange is where the MRT and LRT would meet. So this is the locality map once again. So this is how you buy your ticket for the LRT train here in Metro Manila. So just press the, since you're here for a short time, you can click on the single journey ticket. Then from here you can choose your destination, Santolan, Katipunan, and known as Cubao. You're in Cubao now, then there's Bedigo, Belmonte, Gilmore, J. Ruiz, Bima, Papureza, Ligarda, and Recto. So after that, after selecting, for example, you go to Recto, the ticket fare is 20. You just have to confirm, and after that you have to insert your bill here, and your ticket will be dispensed. I'm just waiting for my ticket to be dispensed by the machine. So I have to collect my ticket now. This is a single journey ticket. And I got my change as well. So now let's tap our card here. Okay, card value is 20. Prepare. Internal switch. It's not tap our card. What? The fares. Okay. Works now? Okay. I hear a train arriving, so let's hurry. No, here on the train. There are a few passengers now. Hello mga ka-trippers and friends of Ramen Tours. So welcome to Metro Manila and welcome to Trip Naray in Manila. And we're now taking the LRT station here. So there are two trains in Metro Manila. So one is the MRT, which flies along EDSA or Epifanio de los Santos Avenue, and there are two LRT lines. It's along Aurora Boulevard, so it runs through Cubao and up to Recto. And the other LRT line runs from Pasay to Monumento in Quezon City. So it's the other LRT line is running along the Manila area. Hello friends, we just arrived here, and you have to keep your card because you need to use it in your exit. So this is the system map, and you can see the LRT lines here in Metro Manila. So the yellow line is the MRT from Taft Station to North Avenue, and the blue line is an LRT station from Santolan to Recto, and the green line is another LRT station from Baclaran going to Roosevelt near North Avenue. So the intersections or the points where an MRT line or an LRT line meet closer are in Doroteo Jose and Recto, in Roosevelt and North Avenue, in Cubao and Araneta Cubao, and of course in Taft and EDSA. Now heading to the exit. So you have to insert your card. Okay.